how to create a TikTok business center in 2022. So all you do is you go to business.tiktok.com. So this is the TikTok Business Center. Top right button, it will have a create new button. Basically, that's where you create a TikTok Business Center where you're able to do a lot more things. Hi everyone, this is Jason. I'm a Facebook ads and digital advertising coach since 2010. I've actually worked with over 6,000 people from 30 over countries, and I'm going to share with you how do you actually do TikTok advertising right. Now, TikTok Business Center is very similar to Facebook Business Manager. If you're familiar with it, you will definitely know that in fact, Business Manager can do a lot more things than just ad account. So if you're starting fresh right now, I would suggest that, immediately bypass the individual account, go straight into, like a business center and create a business-centric account and group everything within one, because it's a lot easier for you to organize, even to work together with some agencies and partners in the future. It prepares you to go to the next step very easily. So yeah, now I'm going to go into my business center, okay? Because I already have a business center. I'm just going to click the top right and say enter the business center, and basically it will bring me into the TikTok business center within here. So I'm just going to quickly walk you through, right? So when it comes to the TikTok business center, what we have over here is first thing first, you can actually create multiple, as in like bring in multiple members into your business center. So over here, if you have a team and you want to work together with a bunch of, let's say, for example, you have multiple TikTok account and you have multiple ad account, and you want to assign each and every one of these to different people within your team, it's a lot easier for you to organize that. And on top of that, this is where you want to work together with external parties like agency, coaches, consultants. So this is where you can actually work together with other business center by connecting to each other using a partner, so-called as a partner. So it's a lot easier for you to manage that way, because the moment you part way, all you need to do is to remove them from your partner list and they will lose access to all your so-called assets. Remember, we don't give access to our ad account or business manager account or business center account to individual. We work together. If let's say we are working with external party, we work as business entity. Okay, very similar to Facebook advertising. Now, the beauty of this when you're having a business center is, in fact, you can immediately create multiple business advertisers account. Now, so already you see we have this TribeUp Academy, which is the one that I'm actually using. Now you can actually easily create, advertisers account over here, or you can actually request access to other people's advertisers account. So let's say if you are planning to work on multiple businesses within the business center, it's a lot easier for you to separate them into different ads accounts, because basically it makes it a lot easier for you to kind of differentiate. And then of course, if you create audiences, then this is where you can actually share audiences between business centers. And of course, this is where you connect with multiple different TikTok accounts. So let's say if you have a lot of TikTok accounts and you want to connect them to one to another, it's a lot easier for you to actually, quickly kickstart and build a different kind of control over here. And on top of that, you have finances and all that. So this is actually how I think you should start when you want to really start advertising on TikTok. And of course, immediately, whenever you're ready, once you have created the TikTok ad account, basically all you need to do is to immediately click here and go into the TikTok Ads Manager, and you're able to create your first ad account right away. But then again, when it comes to TikTok advertising, it's a very interesting platform. I would say it carries features that are uniquely TikTok, and if you're able to leverage on these tools and features in a more effective way, it actually can bring you a very significant result. So I hope this video gives you a quick kickstart about how to create a TikTok business center and how to create a TikTok ads account. If you want to learn further on how to really set up a TikTok advertising campaign in the most effective way, learning how to actually create an advertisement that works, how to do your audience targeting right, and how to use all the features available within the TikTok Ads Manager and TikTok Business Center. On top of that, I'm going to also share with you how to build omni-channel advertising strategy, crossing over from TikTok to Facebook and YouTube, and really to build a journey that will really help you nurture and convert your audience in the most effective way. If that's something that you want to learn, click on the link in the description and let's start learning.